Hi, my name's Xteen. I've challenged myself to cook something different every day for 30 days. Today's day 8, and I'm really in a rush. And I've also got this very old ripe banana I need to get rid of. So I'm gonna see how fast I can prep and then bake a loaf of banana bread. I mean, the baking is gonna take the amount of time it takes, but the prep, how quickly can we do it? Let's see. I'm gonna try not to edit this video. I'm just gonna set a timer and I'm really gonna speed run this. So let's see what we can do. How quickly can someone prep a loaf of banana bread? That someone being me. Let's find out. Crucial detail I forgot to mention is that it's chocolate chip banana bread, because of course it is. Okay, and we're off to the races. The first thing I'm gonna do is butter my bread pan. I'm just using a fork and really smearing it on there, as you can see. There's probably a better way to do this. This is how I did it. But it got the job done. Next, this is a pro tip. I'm going to dust what I just buttered with sugar and kind of mix it around so it's semi-evenly coated, and then that's gonna make a really nice sugary caramelized crust on the banana bread. Set that to the side for now. Grab a big bowl. And I'm dumping in my frozen bananas. This is another thing I like to do. When bananas go bad, instead of throwing them away or scrambling to make some banana bread like I am in this situation, I normally will just freeze my bananas in a Ziploc bag, and then I have them ready. They're perfect for smoothies, or they can be used for something like this. I'm gonna give these a good mashing. For the record, this would be faster if some of my banana wasn't frozen. And that's true, this did slow me down. Ripe bananas that are fresh would be easier to mash. That's good enough for me. What's next? Oh my God, I forgot to get out the vegetable oil. Here I am frantically running to get the vegetable oil. I'm gonna mix that in with the banana. That was 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And next I'm gonna mix in the sugar. Sugar. Adding 3/4 cup. Mix it all together. Flour's next. That's 1.5 cups of flour. Gonna add a teaspoon of baking powder. And a teaspoon of baking soda. Oh my God, and my camera's gonna run out of memory. Hang on. I'm not gonna do anything. Hang on. Let's continue. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. I'm gonna add a little less than a teaspoon. That looks good. And just a dash of nutmeg and a dash of salt. Okay, this salt is all jammed up. I need different salt. Hello? There we go. That's a good amount of salt. Okay, let's mix this. I don't want to overmix it because I don't want it to get gummy. I don't know why I half mixed it after I put in the flour. I probably should have just added all the dry ingredients and then finished mixing, but we did what we did. We're moving forward, not backwards. Okay, I think we're ready for the chocolate chips. I'm not sure how much is left in this bag, but it feels like, I don't know, that amount, so. And they're little chocolate chips, so who can be mad at that? Oh yeah, that's looking like an amount of chocolate chips that I'm comfortable with. Okay, let's get this in the pan. I should really grab a spatula. I was trying to just do everything with this fork, but I don't need to be a hero. Spatula in hand. Ooh, just hit the camera. Look at that. Get this out of my face.
Total time, 11:32.
Look at that. Okay, I do feel as though I currently hold the world record for fastest prep of a loaf of banana bread. I'm not sure if anybody wants to challenge me, and I preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and I'm gonna bake this for, I'm not sure how long it's gonna take. I'm gonna start with half an hour and then I'm gonna check on it. It'll probably take like 45 minutes. Let's put it in the oven. And here's the mess I made. Hurricane banana bread came right through here. Well, that was fun, huh? I'm excited to see what the elapsed time was when I edit this video. I'm gonna guess that was only like 4 minutes. This poor girl has no concept of time. It felt like 4 minutes. The banana bread came out beautiful though. Okay, not to brag, but it is gorgeous. Let's take a bite. I mean, chocolate chip banana bread always hits. My dinner. Is it weird that I'm crouching behind the counter?